Polat Enerji is one of the starters of the renewable energy business in Turkey 20 years ago. Now we reached 1.2 gigawatts installed base, and we were always the pioneers. Göktepe is the first grid-level battery installation in Türkiye that has the ability to make primary frequency control systems. As of today, it is the biggest installed battery system in Türkiye. For a system this big, 132 megawatt hours, for the revenue stream, what is important is not only the arbitrage, not only the peak shaving, but also we have to enter into the ancillary services. And in order to do that, there are many softwares. And we believe Enerji IQ is the brain of the system that can control every system in just one solution. Today, what is important is the flexibility and efficiency of the systems. In order to reach that, we believe every wind power or solar power project needs to install a battery system, because the future for the revenue stream is not only the generation of the power, but also be flexible when to sell it. That's very important for the future. Wherever there is a renewable energy, especially solar and wind, we will see more battery installations at the sites. As Polat Enerji, we have 12 sites in 2 countries. We are planning to install each and every site a battery system. As of today, we have a multi-hybrid site where there is solar, wind and battery systems installed. It's a must. It is not a luxury anymore, it's a must.